I left my door open. Gonna do this really quick. I was gonna do it on my tripod, but I couldn't see myself, so I didn't know if I was in frame or not. Okay. Hey everyone, my name's Kimi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my room tour. So when you first walk in, you first see my closet to the right, and then I have a wardrobe. So starting over here, I have this big wardrobe and I have my salt lamp here. Let me tell you the story. Okay, so basically my salt lamp is there because I got it in America and the wattage here in Switzerland is different, so I can't use it. Broke the lamp, like the light bulb part, so I just use it for like a door stopper because when my window's open, it slams my door shut with the wind. So the first thing is up here is this little collage that one of my best friends made for me. It was just kind of like a going away present, and that one's bent because it keeps falling back here, but it's so cute. It has a little mirror and two little doors, but I'm not gonna open the closets because that's just a mess. And then over here is just all my old like school stuff. There used to be so much more, but I cleaned it. It was disastrous. And then I have my little makeup area where I do my makeup. To the side of it is a little table. I have my point shoes and I have random glasses, I don't know. And then my best friend made this for me for a going away present. It's so cute. And I have random paintbrushes that are like crap, and then I have some patches I need to sew on my bag and just rocks from the lake and things like that. Then I have another table with my record player and a little duck that my boyfriend gave me. It's so cute. I love it. And then over in this corner is kind of like my workout corner. I have my yoga mat, which is kind of beat up because it used to be under the chair so I wouldn't scratch the floor. And then I have like ankle weights, arm weights, and then my gym bag with resistance bands, my yoga ball, and I have a space heater because it gets so cold in here in the winter. And then I have this I forget what they're called, but one of my other best friends gave it to me. My tripod was there. And then my balcony, I have a hammock and I have some seatings, but gonna miss this view. Now I have my desk. It's really beat up, but whatever. I have this little brochure of the child I sponsor, and just some pens and my planners and book stuff and my laptop, and then a little salt lamp, this plant thing, and here I have a little cow thing that my boyfriend gave me, some hand sanitizer and some sleep stuff and chapstick, and this thing makes the little shutters go up and down. And then I have my journal and pens, and then I have like cords under that's very like not organized at all. And then I just have my bed, which I try to make look cute. And that's it. I mean, I have my water bottle and some nuts when I'm hungry at night, and my purse, and we're back to the door. I forgot to show this, but this is just a little painting that one of my best friends made. It's just like something little weird and just a little memory I always keep there. It's just so funny.